ಪ್ರವರ್ತಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅವರು ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿರುವಾಗ. ಜಲ ತಂಡ ಶಾಂತ ಸಂತೋಷಕರ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Performance.
Hula hoop. Hula hooping gallery.
My children school annual school sports, so I just came to see that my son Sasang is dancing here with hula hoop. So I hope that you all will see and enjoy. Sometimes because of the songs which is playing, you can, I don't know, we may get this copyright, I'm not sure, but we'll just check and see. Hope that there will be no copyright, and you can see that how they enjoy their annual school sports. So please you all watch and like it and subscribe and share also, so that the children can watch and enjoy when the copyright goes. So sometimes when we mute the song, the video may not be very nice without the songs. So hopefully with the songs you can see and enjoy, and hope that you all will enjoy watching their dance and their performance. So please follow us always and like the videos and comments and share with the friends, so that we can do more videos in the days to come, and one day when the children's grown up, they can see their performance and they can enjoy the old videos and seeing those videos. So hopefully they also will like it when they grown up, and they will love to see that their old videos, and they can enjoy their life. Thank you. So this is the 2023 their school annual sports. So all the teachers and even the all students, the alumni also came, and they all enjoy watching, and all the parents, we all also really enjoy watching our children growing, performing all well. Thank you. Here is my son James group. This is green group. So he will be dancing with his friend here, with his teams or his friends or their groups. So he like kung fu, he like dancing. So hope one day he will see once he grown up. So now he's 14 years old. So we'll see that once he grown up he can see and enjoy watching his dance move with his friends on this 2023 annual sports days. So this year they celebrated in SABC campus. So their school is Radiant Sema Schools here in Bharati Cross, Bangalore, Karnataka state. So kids like it and they enjoy because the school have a lot of activities like karates and like footballs, like athletes, like singings, musics, so many activities they have. So kids really enjoy and even during summer vacations they will have all these singings and all this guitar learnings and music, all these things they will have. Karate schools classes are going on and kids enjoy a lot. So during summer holidays they will have even the VBS. So you can send a kids here, they will like to, they will really like and they will enjoy it. So sometimes when activities are less, so kids really get bored. So here mostly they enjoy plus they study. So this are run by their principal name is Dominic Hancock, and so kids really like it and they enjoy it. So hope you all can listen, even if you like it you can check it out. And so this is my boys, the bigger one, so his name is James here.
Three, four, double punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, triple punch. 1, 2, left hand are makki. 1, 2, 3, 4, Mamton makki. 1, 2, 3, 4, Algul makki. 1, 2, 3, 4, Sunnal makki. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. The purpose of learning Taekwondo. Hello. Chariot. Chariot. Kyane. Speed. Bantam chagi. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Strong with so much leadership skills. Sashank, a boy with good behavior, good in sports and academics. Girisha, good in academics and a born leader with a competitive spirit. Sohan Sai, good in studies, doesn't give up so easily, but equally dependent on things which builds him. Sushmita, academically strong with leadership skills. Nathan, sports captain with great vigor and commitment. Shanti, sports captain with great leadership skills. Now we will declare this.
I declare the sports meet event open.
Sashank is running 200-meter race.
Your kind attention.
You can change the track. You can change the track. Come on, Sean. Come on, Sean.
There goes Jal leading the troop, followed by Prithvi. There's again Jal, followed by Vayu and
One more round. Move, run. One more. Keep going. Good, Sean, keep going. One more round. Akash, run, one more round. You go. Change your track.
Second round.
Good. Keep going.
faster. Oh, there you see. Jal
Good on, Vijay. Run faster. Ritik, don't give up. Keep running. Shashank, first.
Keep
Shashank,
running.
run fast. Move faster, Shashank.
There goes Prithvi.
Move fast, Shashank. Come on, Shashank. Faster. Come on, Shashank. Good. Go. Yes.
Oh.
Keep up the same speed. Gautam. Keep the same speed, Gautam. Sir. Good on, Vineet. Same speed. Go fast. Good on.
Final round. So James is behind his 2% is there. Ritik.
Good on. Okay. Winners, please come here. Come here, don't be on the track.
Some glucose.
Okay, good on, Derek.
Everyone.
Please, Pranjal.
Go fast.
Make sure the parents or the students don't go outside the gate. Okay, you're not supposed to go outside the barricade.
Perfect date night.
All have to be inside the ground. You need food, there's food court there. You can go grab your lunch there or grab your snacks and get back to the tent. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Hannah. Now I request Mrs. Sheba to go near the victory stand to give away the prizes. Attention, children.